place, we want to make sure to clean out this seal again and make sure that there's no dirt particles on the seal. We're ready to place the chamber. Slide the chamber down over the top. When it gets to the bottom, we give it a little twist to make a seal. Place the top piece over and slide it until the holes line up. Then place these screws in the holes. And tighten the screws down. We can fill this chamber with tap water through our pressurized line. And as we fill it, we want to make sure that this top valve up here is open to allow any air to escape. So we connect the pressurized line to the bottom and then open up the line. In comes the water. Once the cell is almost flooded, we want to get ready to turn off the line. Wait till the water comes out of here so all the air can escape. And then we shut it off. And then we want to check underneath here for air bubbles.
Sometimes when there's air bubbles, you're going to have to release these screws and then open up the water pressure again just to force the air out. But in this case, we don't have any air bubbles, so
We're good.